and choppers, shopping, copper, soccer for you possums. I'm that moonwalking Chewbacca that you don't wanna get crushed with. Never do a CrossFit, bitch, out about it. Don't got any of this shit and done it. I ain't never sober, been addicted to chronic. Born with a blood number, not you. Best respect my authority, dawg. I know some crazy, yo, that's what way down in Florida. They white as fuck, but they got.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got a lot of things to do. We're fixing up the red truck today. Hopefully we're gonna get it fixed by today because I don't want to spend too much time on it. We got quite few things to do. I finally bought the rotors and the brake pads for the back, so we're gonna be changing that, but maybe not in this video. I don't know how long that's gonna take, but for sure today we're gonna try and attempt to change the header gasket on my long tubes. Hopefully that fixes the little air leak problem on the exhaust system because it's been sounding like shit. And I haven't done an oil change in quite a while. I'm sure I'm way past it. So we're gonna be changing the oil today también. Hopefully it's running better after those two things are, you know, combined together, since, you know, new oil, fresh oil, and no more leaks. So hopefully that's the problem with the headers and not the actual headers themselves, or I'm gonna have to order some new ones. But yeah, let's get into it. All right, guys, it's fucking 35 degrees outside here in Texas, and it's super fucking cold. So we're gonna be working in our garage. There's no fucking way I'm gonna be working out here. So we're gonna reverse the truck a little bit. I'm gonna turn it on just so y'all can hear how much it's leaking. A little before and after the gasket change. Hopefully it's an easy job. Taking a few bolts off and taking the wires off, it shouldn't be no problem, but you know, some bolts break, and if that fucking bolt breaks, I am screwed. I have some channel locks. Hopefully that could budget out if they break, which I hope to God they don't, because I don't have a welder, and that's probably the best thing to do when you break a bolt. You weld it, and you weld a piece on it, and then, you know, you just take it off with that piece. But hopefully everything goes right, and let's get into it. All right, so I'm gonna turn it on from out here. Hopefully it turns off with the remote start and I don't have to manually turn this shit on. Sometimes it happens. There we go. Even with the exhaust leak, it still sounds pretty damn good. Oh yeah, I still think it sounds pretty damn good. But once I take the truck out and then show y'all the front, because the front is where the exhaust leak is at. As y'all can hear, it's on the left side, so let's go. We're gonna check that one out first. Guys, it feels so weird working on this truck. Just how low it is, and it just feels so nice again, you know, being able to pop the hood and try and work on it again, you know, fix it up. Because in that motherfucker, I can't even reach the check oil dipstick. I really can't. I have to get on the tires, on the wheels. I gotta get a step ladder, and I'm only 5'8", so I'm pretty damn short. But here, you know, I can reach to whatever the fuck I want, you know, just grab everything I need. And it's a lot easier. It's a lot more simple motor than, you know, the Gen 5s. Gen 5 motors look a lot more complicated. And this one, you know, I've learned to love. I've learned to work on. And I've learned how to, you know, do quite a few things. This is the first motor I ever tried and work on. So, you know, I got a lot of experience from that. But yeah, right now I'm trying to see if I can figure out the Gen 5. It's a lot like the Gen 4, Gen 3. But just a little different, a lot more technology. This one's a lot more simple, you know. I feel like it's a lot smaller too. So I feel like this one has a bigger engine bay just because how small this factory is. I could be wrong. Maybe they're the same, you know, size, and, you know, this is just a bigger truck and shit, or bigger motor. I don't know. But it just feels so weird being at this truck, but feels so good at the same time. Missed it. And hopefully I can get it back to, you know, how it used to be. A fucking beast. Alright guys, so I warmed up in the cold, so I decided to do it outside because I just feel like it's gonna give me a lot more space. We got it figured out. It's a 10 millimeter bolt on every header, and I actually saw something that seemed a little bit interesting. One of these bolts was a little loose. It looks a lot looser than the other one, so I'm thinking that's probably what's causing it. One of the bolts probably just got loose or something. I don't know if I want to try tightening that up and see if it works, or if I should just replace the gasket. I don't know. I'm still in the dilemma of, what if it, I make it worse when I try to take it out, and it's a lot tougher to take that one bolt out. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna just try it, say fuck it and try it, see if I can save myself the $20 that I spent on some gaskets, and do less work. Obviously, that's the name of the game, do less work, and if it works, it works. So yeah, if that works out, we're just gonna do the brake calipers, and not the calipers, the rotors and the brake pads today. Hopefully get that done today, and not the next day. So yeah, let's stay tuned and let's see what we can get done today. Okay, guys, so I spinned it to the right and it seems like it was loose as fuck, because I didn't even need the leverage just to spin it, so it's probably loose. I'm gonna keep checking it out and see if I can retighten it. If I retighten it and it stops the leak, then shit, let's just do that. But if it doesn't, we're just gonna struggle again and untighten it. Fuck it, let's do it. Hopefully nothing goes wrong in this, but working as a mechanic, everything goes wrong. so let's hope it doesn't. All right, guys, so apparently unfortunately, actually, that didn't work. So we're taking off the bolts. I already got one out. This one was a loose one, super loose. I swear, like, I could just do it by hand. I did do a few spins on the ratchet, but not too many. It was honestly just easier doing it by hand. But yeah, that's probably gonna be the problem now that I know it was just a loose bolt. It probably burned through the gasket, and now we got to replace the gasket. So at least we know it's probably not the headers, probably not a hole in the headers, so that's a very good thing, always a very good thing. But yeah, we're just gonna take all the bolts out. I don't think I'm gonna have to take out the wires. I'm gonna try not to. It seems like they could go back, the headers can go back a little bit. I can slide a gasket in there, hopefully that's the case. Let's see how it goes. So I finally unscrewed all the bolts. We got the headers loose already. Here they are, they're loose as hell. Finally, here's the gasket. So all these bolts were actually pretty fucking loose already. I don't know if I was supposed to retighten them a long time ago or not. I was never told anything, so I'm not too sure. All right, guys, so we're gonna do a parts run today. Very unexpectedly, I bought some gaskets yesterday, but I don't know where the fuck they're at. They could be with my homeboys, they could be at home. I have no idea where the fuck I left them at. So we're gonna go to some racing, buy them again. Hopefully, we can get them fast, and not, because we already got the headers out and everything. Everything is ready to go. Basically, we just gotta replace the gasket, change the oil, and then I'm gonna do a few pulls for you guys, see if there was any change in the acceleration, in the power, and everything else, because I'm sure there is, because I feel they're a little sluggish right now, and hopefully that fixes the problem. But yeah, let's see how it goes. So we left them at Summit. I got one of the managers, which used to be my old manager since I used to work there, to check it out, to see the cameras and shit, and she found out that I left it yesterday, and she found it for me. So thankfully we didn't have to buy another one. We just picked up the one that I left yesterday. So yeah, we're on our way back home, and we're gonna get this truck ready today. Not everything. I don't plan on doing the brakes and the rotors today, although I do have enough time for it. I'm gonna wait and wait for next week when the weather is a lot better. I prefer to do that over freezing my balls off and maybe not having the right parts or whatever. I prefer to do that. So we're gonna get that situated next week. Today we're just gonna do a few pulls. Once I get this truck ready, we're gonna change the oil, we're gonna change the gaskets, do a few pulls. Hopefully it responds a lot better than it's been responding lately, but it should, because those bolts were really loose. I'm gonna have to check the other side. Hopefully they're not loose either, but they haven't, no air is escaping from that side, because I don't hear it from that side. I hear it from the side that I'm changing the gaskets on. Alright guys, so here are the old gaskets, all worn out and shit. Well, it's just one gasket, it just actually came apart like that, so these are just trash. And it's the new one, all shiny and new. we're gonna put it on. All right, guys, here's the moment of truth. Hopefully it was just the header gaskets. This is the moment we'll find out if we need to replace the whole headers or just the gasket. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. It worked. Fuck yeah, guys. Fuck yeah. So it was just the gaskets. It was all loose and shit. I tightened them up, put some new gaskets on, and now we're getting full fucking airflow to the back. And we're now listening to this, you know, cold fucking muffler, I guess. That's badass. Hell yeah. It worked out. Worked out for us, thank God. We don't have to replace no fucking headers. It's all quiet in the engine bay, just the engine bay noises now. So we're all good here. Let's close it up and see how it sounds. Hell yeah, all silent. Hell yeah, that's what I like. No more horrible sounds down here. Now we can hear the cam a lot better. Hear the cam, hear the muffler, hear the exhaust system I have. So fuck yeah, we got it. Fuck yeah. Now guys, I realized that it sounded kind of like a 4-cylinder because it kind of was running on 4 cylinders. So I forgot to connect the coil pack. So yeah, that was a dumbass move by me, but I didn't leave it on that long, so nothing should have happened. We're just gonna connect those back and then turn it back on. Yeah, that was a very dumbass move by me, but now we can hear the 8 cylinders once I turn it on. There we go. 8 cylinders firing on 8 now. Now there we go. Hell yeah, there's that chop. Fuck yeah. There's that motherfucking chop. Alright guys, here is the final product. Can't hear no air escaping. We're getting the full power in the back, baby. Getting all 8 cylinders, firing on all 8. So now, what's left is to go test drive it and do a few pulls. So let's go do a few pulls, have some fun. Little cop over here, so fuck them. It's just a regular fucking abandonment vehicle, so. Oh shit, guys, that is scary. I'm not gonna lie. Holy fuck, that's scary. No, for real, it lost a lot of fucking power. All right, let's do a pull right here. 0-60. Holy fuck. Oh my god, guys, no way. This truck just came back to life. Hell yeah. Holy crap, it's pulling like a motherfucker right now. Probably because of the cold ass weather too, it's helping it a lot. Holy fuck. That's badass. Oh my god. I'm in awe right now. I don't think I've ever felt it this fast. I really don't. I'm not sure why it's probably because it's winter time, obviously, but damn. Right now it's fucking putting in work. It's putting in some motherfucking work. Hell yeah. Alright, let's go do a little pull at the end of the street. And that's probably gonna be the last pull because I don't want to do too many pulls, not cause too much attention in the neighborhood. Not right now anyways. And then I don't like driving and recording at the same time because I gotta put a lot of attention to either you guys or to driving, and it either comes out as a bad video or it comes out as, you know, me almost fucking crashing. So so let's This is gonna be the final pull right here. There's a long way next to 360. Fucking. All right, we're just gonna wait for traffic over here. Hell yeah, I'm having a lot of fun. I'm having a lot of fun. Are you going? Are you gonna turn? Yeah. Okay, you turn. Let's fucking pull it right here. Holy fuck! I got up to 80. I got up to 80. Man, this thing is a monster. It's a fucking beast, guys. Holy crap. I'm surprised it's doing this well. I am surprised it's doing this well. Alright, let's put it tow haul mode off. And let's just fucking drive it like a normal motherfucker. Oh man, that feels amazing. It feels amazing to have this truck back to, you know, restoring it. That's what we're doing now, basically just restoring now. Now that we I hear a very weird noise. But now that we have a daily, it's time to restore this truck to its full potential. I'm not sure what that noise could be. Huh. Sounds like maybe a serpentine belt. Well, we're gonna check it out. Hopefully I didn't do anything bad to the truck. I doubt it, because it's still having a lot of fucking power right now. I don't feel any fucking loss of acceleration at all. Oh man, that feels good as fuck. Alright, here we are home. Alright guys, so we got the headers, the exhaust all fixed up. It was a leak that was, you know, taking a lot of power from my truck, and as y'all saw in those videos, it doesn't seem like it's missing any fucking power. That was some pretty fun pulls, I'm not gonna lie. It was actually kind of scary, just driving it again and fucking going that fast. I think I went airborne for a second because I hit a bump or something like that. And it scared the hell out of me even more. But no, it was a great experience. I didn't think I was going to be able to do it, but I did it. You know, it's not that hard, but it's a little bit time consuming, just because you can't fucking guess where the bolts and the holes go with the headers, especially since they're already attached to the truck. They're already on my exhaust system and they're welded on, so it's not like I can just cut them and then re-weld them. I would have to go pay or something like that, and I might as well just pay for everything so they can get it out of the way. But I did it myself. I didn't give up on it, and the results, they speak for themselves. Truck is back to being A1. Now we just need the brakes, and honestly we can almost be done with the repair on the whole truck, just for it to be drivable and be like super nice, super comfortable. Next I want to do is the front suspension. It's got a little bit of problems with the steering wheel. It's shaking a little bit. I'm not sure what it could be, but I'm thinking of just replacing the whole front end anyways. Just the suspension anyways, just to get everything out the way. This truck is old. I haven't replaced anything besides the control arms, and that's about it, just to lower the truck. So we're going to be replacing everything else, the ball joints, tie rods, whatever needs to be fixed over here, we're going to replace it. For the next video, hopefully we'll be replacing the back brakes, the rotors, for the rear. But anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more. Peace.